She trusts you just as much as she trusts anyone. Who better to betray her than you? Chandler's mother was beaten half to death last week in a home invasion. He was granted a compassionate leave. Before he left Saudi Arabia, someone gave him $250,000, told him if he delivered it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't go back and finish off his mom.
I'm leaving.
When on earth did you make that decision? Do you realize that this girl's fabricated lie is destroying my family? It could cost me my job? You're absolutely correct, Doctor. In a million years, I never thought that I would hurt anyone or anything.
Well, you'll pay for that death, as well as all the others you are responsible for.
Gee, I don't think I can pay for all of them, Agent Kelly.